here we go. I don't know who enjoys shopping at the Home Depot more, Ken or I. Hey everyone, here we are at the Home Depot, and I am actually in the plumbing department because I am looking for the PVC piping for the tent frame. Now what I have here is actually the 3/4 inch PVC piping, and I was going to buy the whole piece here, but the whole piece is a 10-foot, and it's $271 for the whole each for the 10-foot section. But Mr. Installer, Mr. Kenny V, happened to spot some pieces that are already cut to 24 inches.
Look here, darling. They're already pre-cut, and they are the same size we need, and they're only $1.49 a piece. For our purposes, it makes sense to go this way. For people that are making full-size ones, then it may be more cost-effective because they can cut them to whatever length they want with the 10-foot pieces.
You just don't want to cut it.
It costs you more by the time you put my fee in there.
Oh my gosh. Okay.
Oh, here's the elbows.
Oh, let's take a look at those. Because there's different type of elbows, right?
Well, different sizes. And make sure you get the ones without the threads in them.
Does that have a thread?
No, not these ones. See, you got the ones go from a 3/4 to 1/2 inch, 3/4 to 3/4. You know, there's all kinds of different combinations. We originally thought that maybe we wanted to do a little 3-way action, but that was going to make the legs spread out way too much for
Yes.
our table exhibit
Exactly.
on the live stream.
Okay. And so can you grab one that we're going to use? Or
There you
that's
go.
it? Okay, hold it still. There you go. And it's not threaded. Okay, it's not threaded. Now it's time to go over to the bungee cord section because we need something to hold all of this together. So we're going to have to keep taking it apart and putting it back together each time it is going to be used. So it says aisle number 15, that's what we're told. And let's hope that everything's down here that we need. So no, we'll soon find out. I think this might be what we need. Nope. Okay. We have to nix the bungee cord idea because they do not have it by the yard, but we did come up with something that we probably can use, and it's something that you might have in your workroom, so stay tuned for that. But let's see what Mr. Kenny V is up to. Let me see if we can turn this around. Let me see what Mr. Kenny V is up to. Let me go up to him because he is finding some more stuff. Problem solver. Let's see what you got.
Okay, I'm problem solver. So we got these little fancy gear ties. You can wrap that around there. It's got metal inside it, so it'll stay in whatever shape you just do. Spin it around, put a little twist in it. And, all right, so then how about this? You get one of these big buggers here, and you can put that PVC right through there. This might be a little oversized for illustration purposes, but you know what I'm saying? And then they'd be side by side like that.
Oh, I think your brain's working overtime.
So it'd be just like that. Of course, that'd be more to the sides.
No, mix it. Mix it. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, that's a no. Say goodbye. Well, I guess that we're just going to settle on these straps here. I didn't know they had all that stuff, Velcro items. Did you?
Velcro had been out for a few years now, honey.
Well,
And they probably found all kinds of uses in order to make it financially successful. You
Yeah.
can't just have one big long strap.
I guess not. They have all kinds of things. Anyway, I guess we've decided that we would go ahead and choose these one wrap ties. I wanted them in color. Ken tried to talk me into just the plain black ones, but that was going to be kind of boring. So I've got the color ones. I had to get 2 packages because there's only 5 in each, and there's of course only
One of each color.
And so I needed 2, of course. So that's what we're going to go with. think we have everything we need. We just need to get back to the workroom and start working on the panel to go over the frame for the tent.
By the way, if you hadn't figured it out from the orange rackings, that we're in Home Depot. So if anybody's listening and has connections, we're still looking for that sponsorship.
So for this project, for the little demo, I have gone ahead with his suggestion. So he just really didn't want to cut the 10-foot piece, truth be told. But I do have these 2-foot sections that we're going to be using, and we've got our elbows here. And we've been trying to finagle and try to figure out how we're going to put all this together. And so if you can see here, if Kenny V will show you what we've got going on here, we've actually got, I'm going to put in here, 2 pieces that we're going to have like this.
She's framed.
And I'm framed. Okay, we will see you Tuesday night, and you'll see how we're going to put these frames together with the fabric panels. See you soon. And that's a wrap.